press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Love Kasam and all the other stuff that you have done. But Kasam ke liye, I have got few fan questions over here which they have put randomly before I go to the next segment part. So there's this one person who wants to know ki in your entire work tenure of Kasam, what is your most favorite memory with Sharad?
Most memorable.
Yeah.
Okay. There was this death. So my character has died in that show a lot of times. So
Yeah.
for the first time when my character was dying, and so basically it was an exit for me.
Yeah.
There was another girl who had to come. So it was my last day of my shoot. And there was this death sequence of Tanu that we were shooting, and it was a very emotional scene. And post our scene, we actually, we were so emotional that we literally cried. And it was so visible in the scene that we did, because I knew this was the last day of my work. After this, I don't know when I'm going to see this entire cast and crew. And yeah, that was one emotional thing. Like I still remember that. And then again, when the show was shutting, and we had this entire fire sequence that we had to shoot. And Sharad and I literally had tears because we were like, shit, this is the last five. हमारे शो में इतनी बार आग लगी थी, और ये लास्ट जो आग लग रही थी, we were like, ये आखिरी बार है जब आग लग रही है, इसके बाद then the show was getting over. So we even clicked a picture and I put it on my Insta account as well. We literally had tears in our eyes. So yeah, all those things I really remember.
That's should अभी ऐसा ही रहे. What I am saying is that बाहर से देख के लोगों को लगता है कि actors go to the sets, they shoot, and they come back. And
yeah, it all looks like right.
Yeah, but I think for actors who actually live that journey, right? You live that character, and it becomes a part of you forever. Which is why I think the emotions come into play. Do you agree with that?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, you have to give your soul to any character you do. At least I do. And that's the fun about it, that's something I love about acting, that I am Kritika in my real life, but yet I get so many opportunities to play different kind of characters that I enjoy living their lives as well. So that's the fun part of it.
I think it's lovely. I have a small segment right now, basically just few questions of never have I ever. So we want you to answer these. So the first one is, never have I ever eaten an entire pizza all by myself. Have you done that? I have done that.
I have
Lovely.
done that.
Cool. Okay. So the next one is, never have I ever got a tattoo for myself. So do you have tattoos?
Yeah. No, I don't.
You don't have. That's cool. So the next question that I have is, never have I ever been caught cheating during an examination in school or college.
Nobody's caught me. I've cheated, but they couldn't catch me. That's so good.
I think that's a good thing. Yeah. Okay. So ये थोड़ा अलग है, but काफी लोगों ने किया है. Never have I ever left a used chewing gum on a public space. Have you done that?
No, I've never done that.
Done that.
No.
Okay, cool. The next question that I have for you is, never have I ever received a gift which I found to be very weird.
Gift? No, I've received all good gifts, but letters I've found very weird letters, like sometimes from fans, and what all they write, and weird.
So what was weird about it? Can you point it out?
So the way they say that, they know that I'm married, but still they would want to get married to either to them, or ask me to marry one of my co-actors. And now everything is so open on social platform that I don't believe that people don't know that I'm married, and I'm married for 6 years now. So obviously they know that I'm married, and they would still want, they will, why with this man, and they don't know that this man is my husband. You only look good for actor, for XYZ. So I find that very weird.
Everybody knows everything, just that they don't want to accept the fact that their favorite actress is married. So यही हकीकत है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ठीक है?
That's weird, no, but.
Okay, so the next question is, never have I ever bunked a class after giving my attendance.
I have. half of my college days I've only bunked my classes. I don't remember, I've not enjoyed my college life. I enjoyed my school life, but my college life for me was boring. Firstly,
Yeah.
because it was my city. I was in Delhi when I was doing my college, and there were only there were only 2-3 people from my city, so only they were my friends. Otherwise, so I don't even remember their names. Like for 3 years, I didn't speak to anyone but those people who were just my friends. So I used to count classes. Like I used to just give my attendance and leave the class. I would not even
Yeah.
sit there.